Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to block app notifications on Android. Blocking an app notifications on Android is simple and straightforward. And here are the clear steps to block app notifications on Android. Works on most Android phones. Menus may vary slightly by brand. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Tap or go to App Notifications. Find and choose the app you want to block. Tap the app name to open its settings. Toggle Allow Notifications off. Confirm if a prompt appears. Notifications from that app are now blocked. Go back to the previous screen. Repeat the steps for other apps if needed. To block specific alerts, tap Notification Categories, then turn off only the alerts you don't want. Then restart your phone if notifications still appear. You can also long press a notification and turn off notifications. Then blocking notifications won't uninstall the app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.